Hey guys, it's Troy with DIY Home and Auto. This video is going to be slightly different. It's going to be a little bit rougher than usual. There's not going to be a lot of editing going on. It's kind of set the camera and get to work. I hope that's okay with you guys. It's not really a how-to. I'm leaving in some of the outtakes and some of the funny comments and those type of things, just kind of so that it's entertaining as well. I hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, do all those things. I really appreciate that.
I just hate breaking stuff.
I know.
I ain't a fan of that.
You weren't scared to break the manifold bolts.
That's why I was having him do it.
Oh, 15/16 is one.
A little more right there.
Okay. Man, that's really gassy. Did this have a bad carburetor on it before you put that new one on there?
Yeah, it's really bad.
And that was been sent before your oil change, or?
No, we changed the oil the same time we put the new carb on.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna want to tear this motor down. That's very gassy. Yeah, look how liquid that is. It's full of gas. Surprised you didn't wash a bearing out.
He either is or he isn't.
Survey says,
Let's go with yes, please.
especially on these bolts.
Yeah, we don't want to be having to try to tap stuff.
No, if you're taking the heads in to get them checked, you'll have to have them machined out at that time.
It becomes their problem at my expense.
It'll be, yeah, their problem at your expense.
Do what?
Good luck,
here.
boy. Thanks, Dad.
Dude, he's the new frickin' man right there. Then go there. You want to work from the middle away. What the heck? Look at this kid.
This one?
Yep, you got her. Dude,
Those bolts have never been I
I cannot believe.
Those bolts are original.
No! Oh, imagine.
I cannot. Oh yeah, I can imagine. Or somebody else drops it in your bucket, you pick it up and put it in their pocket. Here, you dropped this, bloop.
Boy. That a kid?
I'd have bet $10 those wouldn't have come out of there.
Yeah, I was scared to death when you said just break them off. I
What
was
the
like,
heck? This guy's on a roll.
I cried a little inside when you said break them. Like it was nothing.
Here we go.
Give that one a little more time to soak.
Okay, now that you've cracked that off, that might back out of there now.
You might even put the other ones in close to it and tighten them. I saw like some guy on YouTube do that. So it takes the pressure off the one you're trying to move.
There he goes.
What in the... Yikes. There's nothing holding that on anymore,
I'll
right?
hold it if you'll take those. Okay, I take that last one out. This guy's the man.
Okay.
Yep. He's the new exhaust
You need
technician.
an extension?
Dude, I'd have bet 20 bucks that'd never come out of
Yep.
there.
I was scared to death on this one.
Sweet.
All these four are firing good.
Yeah, spark plugs.
They're all the same.
Yeah, spark plugs all look identical. They're in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They all look.
So this is, if you're looking at the motor, you always, when you're a mechanic and you're working on something, your right and left is from you're standing in front of the motor. So this will be your left motor mount.
Here a little bit too. There's nasty down here, all the stuff. Well, we can see that from the front when it's spun, so I guess that doesn't matter. But yeah, let's give this a fighting chance. Let's get this out of here. Take care of it. Ah!
There's the pin.
Okay, same over here, Mr. Exhaust Master Man. That never works like that for me.
Literally a miracle taking place.
8 of 10 of those would break if I was doing that.
It's the Harbor Freight gun. It doesn't have as much as the snap on. I don't think it could break a bolt if it wanted to. I'm seeing smoke rise from it. Hopefully that one's gonna snap. Tavish is just in charge of bolt removal. That's is that it?
Yep.
Wow. Atta kid.
Okay, what'd you do with your exhaust? These all down?
Yep.
You gotta get this out of here.
Try again now that we got this stuff.
Well, I can buy another distributor if we need to. Probably wouldn't hurt to have one anyway. I mean, it's rusted, and who knows if all the points and all the stuff are any good anyway. You know?
I just hate breaking stuff.
I know.
I ain't a fan of that.
You weren't scared to break the manifold bolts.
That's why I was having him do it. I just can't really bring myself to breaking something. It just don't seem right.
Stand back.
It's like wiping before you take a crap. It doesn't make any sense.
I'm trying to fix it, not break it.
Try to use something that's not sharp.
Why?
You'll cut
We're
right
doing
through
this.
that thing.
Oh, it's fine.
Something blunt? Like a punch?
Oh, we got
This? Oh.
Oh, this. Where'd that orange pipe go?
There it is. That's the one. It's in the handle of the...
There was a use for it.
Ah, see?
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 Not just-
See? That means yes.
Oh, it's turning.
Yeah, it moved.
Yeah, knock that back and forth a few times just to break that seal. And
I don't know if fourth is going to happen, but back worked. Ugh. Helps if you hit the thing. Oh,
getting
it's
there.
moving. Have we sprayed some lube down in there? No.
oh, I got a cramp.
Oh boy. Walk it off, walk it off.
I'm drinking enough water today.
We can stop for a beverage drink. There's water in the fridge.
That's got to come out of there. Pull up while you're doing that. There it is. There it is, Johnny.
Wow, look,
Look
at all
at
that
that.
cheese that's gonna go falling down inside.
We're taking the motor apart anyway. None of that's gonna matter.
Other way, other way.
What? For
That's
real?
tidy.
Dang, I'm tripping. Let's start it over here then.
Oh, I'm destroying myself.
Yeah, you got a knuckle buster waiting to happen.
Yeah,
I can see the
let's
blood.
just use a manual.
I can
wrench
see
on
the
this.
blood from here. I like it.
What size is that? Smaller than 5/8.
Like here? Maybe something?
Like right here. See that little space right there? Up against the flat part. Yep. See if you can. Yeah, like
It's
that.
recording, right?
Yep.
Oh,
And this thing is heavy. Oh no! Tavish, what? Okay, I'm headed for the tailgate of the truck.
Did you get it?
Yep.
Maybe that paint
Where's our
scraper.
little scraper? Yeah.
I think it's on the ground. There.
Ah, yeah. Me and Damien both. Oh, let's put it down
Is it
there.
really worth it? Do I need that bad? He's like,
We both did it.
Oh, how far is it to the store to buy another one?
And I was like, Damien's closer. Wait till you're fat, Tavish.
When you get to be this age, you drop something, you look at it, do I really need that?
Yeah. All right, there's your push rods.
Any of them bent? Nice, dude, this is awesome.
I know.
Look how
This
clean
engine's
that
been
is.
cared for. It really has. They've
You
changed
can
the
see
oil.
that.
All of us that have owned this have changed the oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, like really.
See, Chevys go 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8.
I gotta run to the basement and grab a cardboard box.
Fords go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Like, that makes more sense to me.
That makes more sense to you?
Yeah.
We got a Ford guy here. The last motor I built was for Grandpa on the GTO.
I bet that was fun too.
That was a blast. And that car gets it, man. Down at the bottom of that hill that you drive up to go to
Yeah.
Grandpa's, the last time I had it, I did a burnout all the way up to the top. Both sides sliding.
That is awesome.
You could see that mark for 6 months, man. Every time I go there, hey Dad, where'd those marks come from? He's like, don't tell me that was the GTO. I'm like, I ain't telling you nothing. He's like, You'd paint the block all blue, and then I like black accents on blue.
Yeah.
So you do your block blue, water pump black, valve covers black, intake manifold black, and then when you get it all together, it looks
Like black and blue.
tough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what Dad would want.
These little set pins are what helps it hold in, but it's only being held in by that much. These are your coolant channels. Coolant comes up through here and back down through there. See how that one's clogged up? So it's not cooling very well. This side's nice and clear.
Good times.
That side's gooped up. Guten Timen.
I'll pinch it on the like this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Sorry.
I can't see right
like a
now.
game
You
of op-
can't see.
It's a game of operation.
If you can't see, we're screwed.
Buzz the guy's red nose, you're game over.
Oh!
That's alright, you're getting new ones. I wouldn't reuse these.
Okay.
Okay, let's roll this sucker
See the
upside
cam down there.
Okay, let's pull this pan off of here.
Gross.
So
the
some are
back
half
corners.
inch, some are 3/8. Is that
And
what I'm
then,
hearing?
no, just the four corners are the bigger ones. Now we're back to 3/8. So we gotta
we
find
do
the
need
3/8
the
again.
Alright, here's the back.
Okay, now we need the 3/8.
Yes. 7/16 is what you're looking for there. That's this. Lucky. Lucky, because we have one of those. That's it. Nice. Now you can use powder tools.
I need air.
You're gonna be there a minute.
I'm like, what?
He just makes the noise.
Oh,
Why isn't this working?
This isn't working. That's the noise it makes.
there we go.
Oh my God. Freaking awesome.
Get started and I'll finish them as you go along. So this is the shaft that drives your distributor, and that's what turns your oil pump. So this shaft rides off the bottom of that distributor, turns a piston piece in here that picks up the oil there and pumps it up into here. That's the life. That's the lifeblood of everything.
I can reach it without falling over. It hasn't even been open since we moved. Okay.
Nice.
So when you buy a timing chain set, it'll come with all that, your gears and your chain.
So we're gonna replace basically all this.
Yeah. And if you want to take these two out, I'll put that with this other stuff because this stuff's all related, so it'll go in the same box.
Oh,
There you go. Look at that. This guy's been here before. He's an old gearhead. He's been reincarnated in a young guy's body. You lucky dog. Okay, pull your cam out, brother.
that one?
You got the camera going?
Yeah, that one.
No, pull your cam out, not the camera.
He doesn't know.
I don't know what a cam
This
is.
is a camera.
You're gonna find
Maybe
out.
that's a
That's
cam.
why I'm having you pull it out. You can probably do it with your hand because it should be free. So twist and pull at the same time.
Careful.
Is this a big sucker?
Fragile.
It'll be long as the motor. No?
No.
In the middle of the warrior spot.
You can do this cool part, I guess.
All right. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's tightening up.
Yeah, it's gonna want to stay where it's been since it was born. Give me that pry bar and I'll help you at the same time. Okay.
Okay.
Tell me when.
I'm winning. It won't spin now. Like I can't even get it to spin now.
You try muscles. Hold this.
Let's see. Is it coming?
Yep. It is indeed. Yeah.
Getting it?
Yeah.
Problem is now, see, it's out of its keeper, so it's hanging down.
Right.
It's got to be pulled back up because these right here barely fit through those. It's a machine.
Yeah, you have
What
to
if
kind
we-
of lift as you pull it out.
If we turn.
Let's flip the motor over.
if we
Yeah, that's a
turn
good
the-
idea.
I was just thinking.
Yeah, he is. That's what I said. He's an old gearhead.
Oh boy.
Nasty.
Just do it. Look what you're already standing in.
Well,
Don't be scared.
can't we just catch some of it?
We did. It's all on the floor.
It's all over there busting up all my stuff.
We caught all of it.
Yeah, just slap that under. Let's catch what we can. Just set it clear underneath, and then you don't have to hold it. Yep, just right there's fine.
Hey, man.
Oh, started going.
It's out. We're taking it apart now.
Oh yeah, she's easy peasy now.
Yep, and then I'll just text it to you. I'd have to look it up.
Whoa, that slipped and fell out.
I got myself a cam.
Floor's loose.
You alright? Okay.
This thing's cool.
You getting scared about a mess all of a sudden?
A little bit.
Heck.
I'm thinking about having to clean up. I'm like, oh,
Oh, no way.
Oh boy.
What is this thing?
That's the oil sending unit. That's what tells how much oil pressure is in the block.
Here?
I would say that is a 9/16.
9/16. That's a good guess. All right, taking the bottom part of the engine out now.
There should be.
Damon, you want to collect my nuts?
Oh,
Yeah.
did you hear what he said?
Hold my nuts.
Let me find your nut sack.
Hold my nuts.
You don't have a nut bag out here?
I think you're both nut bags. That's definitely making the video. Oh no.
I can see it.
These two.
No.
I didn't see where it went.
Just poke it down in there, it'll find something. Bonk, I heard it hit. No?
Alright, it sticks to anything down here.
Heard it go thunk.
It could have went down in one of those piston holes too.
Ah, you got it. I told you it was on there. You didn't even pull up to see if you had a fish on.
No, I did. I went down into the hole. Where am I now?
So now, yeah, hold your hands up underneath it.
There's a magnet.
You guys are retarded.
Okay, now hit these four. Come on, Gumpy.
No!
Oh, yay!
Down this time.
Hit my foot.
Can't take you guys anywhere. That works out pretty good, I guess. Ooh, careful, Tavish.
Nope,
Those
he's
are
good.
the things
He's
that.
good. There's your bearing.
We don't have to keep those in exact order. Or
They're stamped.
Are the pistons stamped too?
You're getting new pistons because you're going over the bore.
All right.
You sure these ones are stamped? Is that what we were talking
So
about?
now-
What was I looking at?
They're numbered on the side over here.
So somebody's rebuilt this at some point.
You think?
Yeah, they're stamped. They don't do that from the factory.
Here it comes. Out the bottom. It's gonna go clunk and fall clear out.
Well, I don't think I've got the crankshaft in the right position to pull that one all the way out. This one will.
Because of this is hitting.
Yeah.
Go ahead if it'll go. Yep.
Now it's to that
moving.
lip. Is it still moving?
No, I didn't move, but I can see the piston ring. So we're past with the 2 rings. It's the 3rd ring that's
Okay, you
catching.
got your hand on it?
Is this where you're collecting them?
Yeah.
This is the nut bag?
It moved for a second and then it stopped. Oh, there it goes.
How can we get...
We're going to turn the crankshaft, but let's get these top ones out. Okay, hang on. Let me get this back up. Okay, go ahead and finish.
I don't know where I was hitting.
It doesn't matter as long as it's on the piston. Okay.
Wow. That's cool. Have some souvenirs, Tavish. Heart of Midnight Maroon.
The
That's what
bones.
This is Heart of Bones.
Loins.
Loins.
These-
Yes.
Let's turn the crankshaft. Here's your pry bar. And which way we want to go here? Let's gain. I'm going this way. And we'll finish knocking this out. then can we get that? Let's come back this way. Oh, we can get that one out.
It's got to be held up, right?
Ooh, tap on that with that hammer.
We're gonna have to spin that to get that off, I think.
Come this way.
Are you putting these in any order?
No, they're gonna. That's what I'm saying. These are souvenirs at this point. So we'll have to stop on this part. They're still long.
Okay, let's pull this crankshaft out of here, and that's about all we can do.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, don't drop it on your toe. I'm telling you, it's
Okay.
heavy. And then you're gonna want to stand
Oh
it
my god!
That thing's that heavy.
Stand it up on this end.
up. Yep, right by your heads.
Right by your head. Ooh. I got it, I think.
Oh wow.
That's a slippery bugger, though. Oh.
So you never want to lay that down because it'll
Mess the.
bend.
If we
just
have
a
an
little
earthquake,
bit.
we're in trouble because that will tip over.
I've got some heads I've had sitting in my shop for about 15 years. They've never fallen over.
Well, the heads are fine, but that crankshaft is kind of woo.
And then these are your bearings.
This thing's kind of broken. Or you can feel a little something right here. Do we want these out?
Yep. Yeah, because you'll get new bearings.
What about this
That's a bearing.
as well?
So just kind of.
We're getting new ones though, right? We don't need to
Oh
keep
yeah,
track
you
of
never
where-
use a bearing. You wouldn't want to go this far and start all over again.
We can just grab it from that side. It should pop out.
That's fun.
Yeah, they're not crazy worn.
So we're like literally redoing every single thing of this.
Yeah, you'll have
Yeah.
a brand new motor when you go back together.
This is called a block, the
Yeah,
engine
painted up
block.
Good.
We're keeping this.
This is about the only thing that's going to remain true on the whole thing.
Wow.
The head.
Okay,
The
I've done all the damage I can do for you.
Sweet.
Now we're on
Well,
rebuild.
see you
mode.
later.
I'm to St. George now.
Oh no, he's leaving. Look at the mess he made.
Remember how to put it back?
Nope. I have video. I'll just play it in reverse.
Rewind.
That was freaking cool.
Yeah, that was the easy part. Rebuilding is very technical.
Yeah, we decided not to use this.
Yeah.
You can have it back. Need my money back.
And you can lift that last piece up, right?
There's like stuff in here you can feel, and it's like
So
Or
to
maybe
get
it's
that
supposed to be
thing,
like
that. Where?
this thing on here,
Like
Are
just
there
in big-
are there bearing races in there?
I don't know. It's just
Oh,
like
there's-
onion.
Yes, you're gonna have the machine shop will have to press your new cam bearings in there. I have the tool to do it, but I've never tried because if you don't get them actually perfect in there, you'll burn up your cam.
Right.
So you're better off to have the machine shop do
Yep.
it.
If the machine shop's touching it anyway, they're going to do all the things.
So yeah, get your cam and cam bearings when you take your block in, and they'll press all these out, and then because they do it from this end. And then they'll probably you want to be
Yeah, and I'm going to
you get a
replace
soft
all my
plug
plugs.
set.
Yep. These are freeze plugs, Tavish. So if the temperature gets too cold and you have water in there and it freezes, these will pop out as opposed to cracking. Supposed to.
that right there.
Yeah, these are freeze plugs.
They'll like break, like just shatter.
No, they pop out. They like
pop out.
thunk.
They'll
They're just pressed in.
Oh, okay, interesting.
They'll
So-
splooge out, then you come out and start your car, and if you don't see that it's dripping, you take off driving,
And then you overheat, and-
you overheated it.
And then you end up cracking your block, and then you have a car sitting in your driveway
First you
forever.
cry, there's a lot of tears involved.
Or swearing. Some of
Yeah,
that.
there's some swearing.